15 Things You Need to Know About Richard Alex Murdaugh. Number 1. Richard Alex Murdaugh was born on February 26, 1968, in Hampton, South Carolina, and grew up in the town of Hampton. Number 2. He comes from a prominent legal family in South Carolina, with several generations of Murdaughs practicing law in the state. His father, Randolph Murdaugh III, and grandfather, Randolph Murdaugh Jr., were both well-known lawyers in the area. Number 3. Murdaugh attended the University of South Carolina, where he earned his undergraduate degree in political science and his law degree. Number 4. After law school, Murdaugh joined the law firm of Peters, Murdaugh, Parker, Eltzroth, and Detrick, where he became a partner and focused on personal injury law. Number 5. Murdaugh's wife, Margaret Maggie Murdaugh, was a schoolteacher, and their son, Paul Murdaugh, was a student at the University of South Carolina. Number 6. On June 7, 2021, Maggie and Paul Murdaugh were found shot to death at the family's hunting lodge in Colton County, South Carolina. Number 7. The investigation into their murders has involved multiple law enforcement agencies, including the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division and the Colton County Sheriff's Office. Number 8. The case has garnered national attention, with many speculating about who could have committed the murders and why. Number 9. In September 2021, Murdaugh was shot in the head while changing a tire on the side of a road in Hampton County, South Carolina. He survived the shooting and was airlifted to a hospital in Savannah, Georgia. Number 10. The shooting has raised new questions about the murders of Maggie and Paul Murdaugh, as well as the Murdaugh family's connections to previous criminal cases in the area. Number 11. In the aftermath of the murders of his wife and son, Murdaugh stepped down from his position at his law firm and entered rehab for substance abuse. Number 12. In October 2021, Murdaugh was arrested and charged with insurance fraud and conspiracy to commit insurance fraud for his alleged role in staging his own shooting in September 2021. Number 13. The investigation into the murders of Maggie and Paul Murdaugh has focused on several potential suspects, including members of a rival family with whom the Murdaughs had a long-standing feud. Number 14. Murdaugh has faced criticism for his family's influence in the local justice system and allegations of corruption in previous criminal cases involving members of the Murdaugh family. Number 15. The case has been the subject of national media attention and a popular true crime podcast called Murdaugh Murders Podcast, which explores the details of the case and its wider implications for the criminal justice system in South Carolina. Most recently, Murdaugh on the witness stand last week testified that he had lied about his whereabouts on the night his wife Maggie, 52, and son Paul, 22, were killed, but said he had nothing to do with their deaths. What can you say about this? Say something.